Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sonny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone speaker if there's no sound, the volume is too low, or you can't hear calls and videos properly. We'll go through several different fixes, so try them one by one until the sound starts working again. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Haptics. Under Ringtone and Alerts, move the volume slider to the right to make sure your ringtone and alert volume is turned up. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Turn the media volume slider up as well. Now check whether your iPhone is in silent mode. If your iPhone has a silent mode control or action button, make sure silent mode is turned off. If you have an older iPhone with a ring silent switch, move the switch so the orange indicator is no longer showing. Next, check any volume limiting or audio safety settings available on your iPhone. If you see a speaker or audio volume limit enabled, make sure it isn't set extremely low. You can also check headphone safety. Keep in mind that options such as reduce loud audio mainly affect headphones rather than the built-in iPhone speaker. Now let's check the accessibility audio settings. Go back to the main settings page and tap Accessibility. Scroll down and tap Audio and Visual. Look at the balance slider. Make sure it is positioned in the center. If it is pushed all the way to the left or right, audio may sound incorrect or may only come from one side. If you're mainly having problems during phone calls, tap Call Audio Routing and make sure it is set to automatic. Next, go back to the main settings page and tap Bluetooth. Check whether your iPhone is connected to headphones, a speaker, a car, or another Bluetooth audio device. To test the iPhone speaker directly, temporarily turn Bluetooth off and play some audio again. If the speaker still isn't working, go back to Settings and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an iOS update is available, install it and test the speaker again after your iPhone restarts. If you're still having problems, you can try resetting your iPhone settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. You may need to enter your iPhone passcode. This does not erase your personal photos, videos, or apps, but it will reset system settings such as network and privacy preferences, so some settings will need to be configured again afterward. Finally, you can try a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until the Apple logo appears, then release the button. Once your iPhone turns back on, test the speaker again. And that's it. Those are some of the best ways to fix an iPhone speaker that isn't working or is too quiet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.